Oh no! What happened to Bikini Bottom? From the ashes, a spongy anti-hero will rise. We just need to bulk him up. When it comes to sponges, go big or go home. Just go a little heavy on the Venom. Blue? Are we making Spongebob's eyes? No, a little something for the mouth. Just make it porous. That gives me an idea. Grab a colored pencil. Just need a quick shave. A quick snap. And fill up those holes. Don't think he's happy about his pencil. Oh, calm down. It's just a toy. Or rather, SpongeBob's new tongue. Don't forget to do a little color correction. Nothing beats a coat of blood red. Now turn off the lights. Let's put that bulb to better use. Grab the top and draw a jagged shape. Now we're gonna slice it off. Some heat will mold it into shape. It's Sponge Venom's new eye. Now crack an egg. Add a touch of blue to half of the shell. It's perfect for the sponge half. Now add a nose. Don't forget a great big buck tooth. Grab a yellow marker. It'll make a perfect arm. Now we need to make one for Venom. It's amazing what a coat of paint can do. Next, let's have some soda, but it's not for drinking. Wow, a bubble soak sure does wonders. He still needs a few finishing touches. Oh, careful with that cactus. Well, you got the point. And he's got new lashes. Now let's do something for Venom. Wow, he's positively salivating right now. Here, you deserve a snack. Talk about brain food. He's ready for the tank. Add some water. Sponge Venom might live in a pineapple under the sea. But I think he could use a little action. Wait till Squidward gets a load of him.